What's going on YouTube? Marcus Czar here, and we're going to talk about setting up our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. And I do have an article for you guys right here from trustwallet.com so you guys can get a better understanding of what Binance Smart Chain is. It's pretty much a competitor to Ethereum's blockchain because Ethereum have its own blockchain with their own DeFi projects, and Binance Smart Chain is its own blockchain and it has its own DeFi projects as well. So competition pretty much, right? So we're going to set up the Binance Smart Chain Wallet because so we can interact with decentralized applications in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So we're going to go to Google, then all you need to do is scroll down here, and I'll have the link for you as well. And then just go to web store. And we need this wallet so we can interact with this cryptocurrency called Binance. This is the cryptocurrency I'm going to be talking about. So if I click on Binance.io, and then if I hit launch app, it's going to ask me for some type of wallet, as you guys can see here. So that's what we need. So let's go ahead and finish this. So all you need to do is type in Binance Smart Chain. So Binance Chain Wallet, click on this one. The one with the reviews right here got 100,000 users, so this is the correct one. And all this is just a browser extension, so just click on add Chrome or add to Chrome, add extension. And it's real quick to get this set up. And now we're just gonna click open on here by clicking on our icon, and right here it says welcome to Binance Chain Wallet, secure and trusted multi-chain crypto wallet. And it says I own a wallet, I do not own a wallet. So we don't own a wallet. So click on I do not own a wallet. Enter a strong password, right? And remember this password as well, whatever it might be. So I got mine created real quick. And this wallet is for your real live money, so just be aware of that. So got the password, I'm gonna hit continue. Then this is very, very important as well. So back up your seed phrase. So you need to write this down. Write it down and put it somewhere, because when you get into your wallet, say for whatever reason you forget your password, you're gonna need your backup seed phrase to access your wallet. So that's why you need to write this down. So you guys can protect so you can have access to your wallet with your money, because you don't want to be locked out of your money. I know you guys be hearing a story about people can't access millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin in their wallet. Is because of this right here, because they forgot their password and they forgot their backup seed phrase as well, because they either wrote it down or just lost it, whatever the case. Make sure you have it safe. And then read this. It says do not lose some good information here, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. And if you click on this will get you your private key. So if you just want to click copy and just copy it somewhere, do that as well. But you can always come back to and find your private key. So just make sure you write down the backup seed phrase though. So hit continue. Then as you can see, it's already asked me for my backup phrase, so I need to write this in order based on what I wrote down. And make sure you spell the words correctly as well, because that will suck. Solution. And then I got one more for number 8. Okay, got that. Hit continue. Voila, I got my wallet and I'm connected to the Binance Smart Chain network, as you can see right here. So this is related to BNB, as you can see. And you got the assets right here. I don't have any assets, so that's why 0 activity is none, because I have no transactions that I haven't done any yet. I can either send my BNB once I get some assets in my wallet. I can receive BNB by clicking on address, which I can copy it and send it to my friends so they can send me BNB, or whoever, or a business, or I can scan this as well. So some cool things right there. Got my account. I can add an account. Got your hardware wallet, for your Ledger Nano S. If you guys need one, you go to DeFiHop.com and click on hardware wallet. So you go ahead and grab one, and I'll make a tutorial on it. And then, yeah, if you want to lock this, I can lock this as well. So if I lock it, it's going to ask me for my password. And as you can see, it says reset account. So if I click on import seed phrase, and it's going to say resetting the account will clear all wallet data. Please make sure you have the original seed phrase for this imported account before continuing. Hit continue, and then I'll just write my seed phrase in order, and then put my password in, and then reset my account, right? But since I know my password, I don't need to do that. I'll just log back in. And I'm back in my wallet. And now I can interact with the app on Binance Protocol. Just reopen the app. And this red banner is going to go away once it realizes that I have my Binance. Or if it doesn't realize it, just click on this puzzle here. Go to Binance Chain Wallet. This wallet will open up. And then I'm pretty much connected to Binance now, but it's circling because I don't have anything in my wallet. It's empty. So as you can see, I need to put some funds here. So that's how you set up your Binance Chain wallet, so we can interact with these decentralized applications. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got some good links below for you as well. Use the link for Coinbase if you don't have a Coinbase account, so you get your free $10 worth of Bitcoin. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, need help. And yeah, we're going to really explore with this new thing called Web 3.0, and that's what we are on today. Mark is off.